Hey, this is Sandy Nyack here, and I have a question for you. Are you sick and tired of terrible results from your email marketing in your business? If your answer is yes, then you are in right place. Did you know? Email marketing is one of the fastest and efficient ways to sell anything online. That's why every marketer like you wants to use this to make more sales. But here is the reality, my friends. Majority of your email autoresponder service providers like GetResponse, Auber, and ConvertKit have dependency on third-party SMTP providers. Don't let you import your list, or if they do, then you may lose 30 to 50% of your leads while importing it. Charge heavy monthly fees. Provide poor delivery of emails in the inbox. Ban your account overnight without any reason. Yes, due to this, you get less opens, clicks, and sales in your email marketing campaigns and in your business. I know it's quite frustrating to pay hefty recurring fees for an autoresponder company that doesn't get you the results you deserve. If you stick with me for a couple of minutes, I will show you why this video is going to change your email marketing results and business profits forever. How would you like to get access to next-generation ultimate email marketing solution that allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with no importing restriction and no monthly fee ever in just one simple click? Introducing GoProMail. GoProMail is the next-generation autoresponder with inbuilt SMTP that allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for unlimited profits with one click and no monthly fee. And, as the name itself suggests, become a pro at email marketing for lifetime with our advanced email marketing suite, GoProMail, for a low one-time investment. Now you can send unlimited email marketing campaigns with free built-in sending servers and blasting your affiliate link to thousands of people in just one click. GoProMail is the only platform that allows you to 100% delivery of all your business and transactional emails to your audience inboxes. Run as many promotional campaigns as you want and reach the masses. Never get blocked again or be tagged as spam. Send bulk emails without the fear of your IP getting blacklisted, and a lot more. All this and more for a low one-time fee when you have GoProMail, Next-Gen Autoresponder inbuilt SMTP. You have no monthly subscription plans, no restriction on importing your lists, no limitations on any number of emails you send, no fear of account suspension. You pay only once and enjoy lifetime access. Big marketers are cashing in hundreds of thousands of dollars just by sending an email, and now you too can do the same with GoProMail, Next-Gen Autoresponder with inbuilt SMTP. From now, you can finally say goodbye to all money-sucking traditional autoresponders like GetResponse, Auber, and ConvertKit platform, which charge heavy monthly recurring fees, getting ripped by autoresponders for every email that you send out, snail mail or non-delivery of your emails, your important transactional emails going to your intended recipient's spam folder. GoProMail will help you skyrocket your profits in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into our cloud platform GoProMail. Step 2. Upload your list of subscribers or use the built-in squeeze pages and forms to build your list from scratch if you don't have one yet. Step 3. Start making instant profits as we send proven-to-convert automated emails on your behalf. GoProMail is a perfect fit for if you run a service-based or product-based business. If you're a coach, consultant, freelancer, copywriter, designer, developer, expert, speaker, or have an email list in your business or are starting to build one. You no longer need to struggle to survive in this digital world by leveraging the awesome power of email marketing with GoProMail. GoProMail, with its dedicated built-in enterprise-level SMTP servers, gets you higher open rates that set the stage for higher click rates and ultimately gets you higher sales and profits. GoProMail encrypts your email so that no one other than the intended recipient can ever read or access your emails. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0 and prices increasing every 30 minutes or every sales. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get access to your GoProMail copy at unbeatable low one-time fee and take your email marketing into next levels. But wait, we still did not complete yet. If you will grab your copy of GoProMail during this launch offer, you will get premium bonus that are priceless for free. And of course, you're covered by our no questions asked ironclad money-back guarantee, where you can test drive this bad boy for 30 days for free. Just ask for your money back and we will send it back to your source account. So, get started right away. Click the buy button below to get access to your GoProMail copy, which is the fastest and the most preferred email marketing platform for business owners and email marketers for a low one-time fee. We will see you on the inside.